Kamusta and Kaura? This is Mapmaker David, and today we are going to load OpenStreetMap into QGIS. OpenStreetMap, also known as OSM, is a free and open map of the world made by volunteers and contributors from many places. And Quantum GIS, also known as QGIS, is a free and open geospatial software. And the two projects are related, OSM and QGIS, and they're very cool to use together. There are two ways to do that. First is we can load an OpenStreetMap layer into QGIS, um, and the other one is we could load an OpenStreetMap file in the form of a shape file, which is one of the most popular geospatial formats out there. What we're looking at right now is Aotearoa, the Maori name for what is popularly known as New Zealand. Now let's go to QGIS. To load an OpenStreetMap layer, we need to use an option called XYZ tiles. Here at the top, we have the view options. And at the bottom, we have the panels and the browser. We need to turn this on. And then here, there's a list. Just scroll down and double click OpenStreetMap. And as you can see here, OpenStreetMap is there. Ta-da! So this is just a quick way to do it. Now we are zooming into Christchurch, where I am staying at the moment, and just having a quick look at how OpenStreetMap is shown in QGIS. This place is Aoraki, also known as Mount Cook. It's the tallest maunga, or tallest mountain in Aotearoa. Here in Te Waiponamu, also known as South Island. Right, so now we've loaded an OpenStreetMap layer in a very quick way. What is the other method? Let's say you want just a particular kind of feature. In my case, I like mapping rivers and water features. There's a website called GeoFabric. GeoFabric is also related to OpenStreetMap. Let's go to the homepage. And they provide downloads. On their homepage, you can see the downloads option here at the bottom left. And since we're interested in New Zealand, click Australia and Oceania. And here, whoop, you just quit. All right, we're gonna reopen it. Don't worry, that's part of the experience. So here, I downloaded this compressed file. That one, I've pre-downloaded it here, and when you open it, you will see that the layers have already, many of the layers, not all but many, have been separated. I'm interested in the water lines. So here at the bottom you have this waterways underscore free underscore one dot shp. Let's relaunch QGIS. I think OpenStreetMap was too much this time. This really happens. It's part of the experience. Okay, so let's go back and load the OpenStreetMap layer from view, panels, browser, and then go to the list here. Click OpenStreetMap here. Right, I think it's because I used a different projection. I didn't use the Webmaker this time. Anyway, that's for another time. Right, so now we are going to load this into here, and I did that. I've preloaded it here, the waterways. There you go. And this is also from OpenStreetMap. Let's just zoom in. Here in this part of the world, there are also many farms. That's why you can see these very straight water lines. Right. You can also load water areas. So waterways underscore free one for the lines waterways underscore Now water underscore A underscore 3 underscore 1. Put it there. And there you go. You can also have the lakes like Lake Tekapo, Lake Pukaki, even the glaciers or the glaciers. Just symbolize it very quickly, just for you. All right, so there you go. Now we've loaded OpenStreetMap. The second way of doing it. First is through this layer, and next is by loading shapefiles. By the way, these are um, very interesting. Oops, it crashed again. Let's reopen. You know, I've recorded this tutorial so many times, and it just keeps crashing. But that's part of the experience. I'm not gonna remove this. Right. I want to show you one last thing, which is how will both kinds of loading of OpenStreetMap look like. Ta-da. So let's go back to what we were doing, and then right, these are the waterways. I just wanted to overlay how they look like in OpenStreetMap. Right. The thing that I was thinking about before it crashed before was about the rivers. Let's load back the water shapes because I really like them. Someone did a very neat job of tracing what we call braided rivers here. I'm just gonna style it very quickly using QGIS. Right, there you go. So that's it. I hope you learned something, you got something. Um, the full experience of using OpenStreetMap in QGIS in a very quick way. And please enjoy. Happy mapping.